friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Soulmask game crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on a loading screen, showing black screen, fatal error, not responding, or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game on Steam, you can go below and you will find the requirements that is available for your PC, and you can play the game without any kind of error or issues. So make sure your PC have all the required specs and then try to launch the game and then check. If Next is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Now under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. But if this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, type windowed and then check if it's working. But if the issue continues, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and then check if it's working. If not, next is to run the game as administrator. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check if the game is launching now. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Next method is to clear download cache. For that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on downloads. Now go below, click on clear cache beside clear download cache. This will clear a local download cache and restart Steam. You need to log into Steam once again, so confirm it. After that, log into Steam and after that try to launch the game and then check whether the game is launching or not. Next is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Here you have to click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. So if you cannot find the game, you can add it again. For that, you have to click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game application, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and then check. Next is to delete temp files. So for that, you have to press Windows plus R and have to type temp temp, press OK. Whatever the temp files you are seeing, simply select all and then click on the delete icon. So this will delete the temp files. After doing this, launch the game and check. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now here under background process tab, search for those apps which are simply running without any use. You have to select them and after selecting it, right click on it, click on end task. So this will remove the apps that are running in the background and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search. Now after that, go to the settings. Here click on Windows update option, click on check for updates and wait for some time. If there is any update available, update your Windows to the latest version and after that try to launch the game and then check. Next is to update your graphics card. So for that, you have to go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. This will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics from there. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already given this link in the description. Simply need to copy and paste it in your browser. Once the website opens, go below. From here, you have to click on the link. Once the Visual C++ files is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get repair or install option. Click on it and wait for some time. After it is finished, close this. Now restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now log into the game and check. Next is to disable antivirus software. So if there is any antivirus software installed on your system, you are suggested to disable it before you launch the game. This will surely help to resolve the problem and you can play the game smoothly. Next is to install DirectX. So make sure you install DirectX and after that try to launch the game. For that you simply need to go through the link that I have already provided in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. So the website opens, click on the download option. This will download DirectX on your system. After that install it. Once you install it, now log into the game and check. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game and enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If this option is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and then check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay options from there. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay option and then launch the game and check. Next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for settings. After that, here you have to search for graphics settings. Now here you have to click on add desktop app. Go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding the game, click on the arrow icon under GPU preference. You have to select high performance and after that try to launch the game and then check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Soulmask game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and finally reinstall Soulmask game and then click on the play button to check if it's launching now. So these are few solutions that will surely help to fix Soulmask game crashing at startup, not loading, stuck on loading screen, showing black screen, fatal error or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.